I'm Charlotte Atchley, editor of Baking and Snack magazine. In our March issue, you can read all about G&S Foods and its new state-of-the-art facility in Hanover, Pennsylvania. Today, I'm speaking with Dan Morgan, President and CEO, about how the new facility is help taking the company to the next level. Thanks for joining me today, Dan.
Thank you.
I'd love to hear from you about how is G&S Foods' new facility providing the company the ability to create the snacks of the future?
I think most exciting thing, or one of the most exciting things in the facility is the new R&D center. We have a real commitment from the family to look at and develop what the next snack food is going to be. And it's taking a bunch of different paths as it always does. But most recently, it's taken a bunch of even more aggressive paths, especially around protein-based snacks, right? I joke in the facility, the first one in on making a tasty protein snack because it's difficult to do will win. Um, and it's not, as I mentioned, it's difficult from both an ingredient standpoint and a processing standpoint. So we're excited about that. We've got some technology in the building that's going to allow us to do that. We have a real appetite to do that, and quite frankly, we have a lot of customers with great ideas and then just some questions. And we're trying to help develop those ideas and we're trying to help steer those in a direction that we might be able to help as well. In addition to that, we're making a real commitment with our new R&D center, both from an equipment standpoint and from a comfort standpoint. So we've built this new R&D center with technology in mind that's going to allow us not to shut down the whole plant as we try to develop some of these new snacks. We've also provided some nice, quiet, clean space for our customers because their lives are difficult. They're traveling, they have other complications during their day just through dealing with us. So we've developed an environment for them that they can be comfortable and they can get things done at our facility on the move because people are very busy.
So, how is G&S Foods differentiating itself as a snack producer with different capabilities in the new facility?
Well, I think one of the areas is we left a lot of greenfield space in our manufacturing facility for two avenues, right? One is for new technologies that come along from a packaging standpoint. And our customers are getting a lot of demands, right? People are on the move right now, and new different types of packaging are coming at us. So we don't even know exactly what's going to be coming at us over the next 10 years. But what we did was leave space to improve efficiency and to be able to develop the next packaging that's going to revolutionize the snack industry. So we've left space for that. We've also left space in our actual processing rooms that allow us to bring the next processing engineering to the floor. So, and what does that mean? We don't know. We left the space there to develop the next sexy snack food. And we've got the space both to put in the technology to make the product, but then leave the space in the packaging room to package that, either look for efficiencies or put in what the next one is, which I don't know what is right now, but we're exciting about the future. And so the families allowed us to leave that space, which is a cost, right? But we wanted to build the facility right, and we wanted to build it for the long term. So I think that's one of the assets that we have. The other exciting part from our capabilities is that on, say, two-thirds of the plant, we make a bunch of base snacks, right? Pretzels, popcorn, extrusion. And we make those, but then we can bring those to the other side of the plant and we can enrobe those with dark chocolate, milk chocolate, white fudge, cookie crumbs, you name it. But that's a really cool thing that we can bring to our customers, that we can make the product and then enrobing. So I think that gives us a little bit of a leg up in the industry, and just one more added benefit for G&S.
That sounds really exciting and also really delicious. You've mentioned the family a couple of times. You're referencing the Wareheim family, which owns G&S Foods. And I also know the team that leads G&S Foods has a lot of experience. How does both the team and the Wareheim family draw on their experience and expertise to best serve customers?
Well, let me start with the family. I mean, the family's been in business obviously for a long time. Mike Wareheim, started it way back when developing Snyder's of Hanover. Um, Trisha, his wife, was very involved. Um, their three daughters, are very excited about this project for a number of reasons. One, I think it's a legacy thing, right? They've been in the business for a long time. They're proud of what they and their father accomplished. We're proud of what they have accomplished. So it's really important for them, for the industry. It's very important for them for the region, Hanover itself. The town and the city and the area has been really good to that family, and I think the family's been good to the town. But there's a real kinship there, and I think there's a real passion about doing the right thing, and employing people in that area. So they bring a ton of experience. A lot of bumps in the road, right? Developing a business over 40 some odd years, a very successful business, right? So that's why G&S, right? To employ people, build a culture that's working hard, that's fun, that has a future. There's a lot of money in this business floating around right now, and that this family just has a real kinship to the area, and it's really important to them. So we're really proud of our ownership, and we speak about it. I think we're lucky. Um, and then from a leadership standpoint, I think it gives us a leg up. I mean, we've got people on our executive team that have dealt with international businesses, snack businesses, domestic, local. So it's very exciting because we bring a wealth of knowledge. So when our customers come to us, we know what they've been through before. It's not like they're talking to a bunch of rookies. So we're excited. I think we bring a good culture. We bring a good energy. We bring some excitement, and we are excited because of this new facility. We just feel that we're building something that's going to stand the test of time. So between the family and the leadership team, I just think we're in a fabulous spot for the future.
It certainly sounds like it. Thank you so much for joining me today, Dan.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching. To learn more about G&S Foods, check out the March issue of Baking and Snack.